Connecting Melio to NetSuite might sound technical and complicated, but it's actually quite simple and straightforward. Let's take a few minutes to walk you through the steps to get you fully connected. Just follow along. First, we need to configure NetSuite to sync with Melio. In NetSuite, click on Setup in the top bar. Then, go to Company and click on Enable Features. Select the Suite Cloud tab and ensure that the following options are checked: Client Suite Script, Server Suite Script, REST Web Services, and Token-Based Authentication. Next, we're going to install the Melio bundle. This will allow Melio to access NetSuite data. While you're still in NetSuite, go to the Customization tab and find the Suite Bundler category. Select Search and Install Bundles. A search bar will show up. Type in Melio Integration, select it, click Install, and then Install Bundle. This may take a few minutes. Now it's time to assign permissions and generate security tokens. Let's start with assigning the integration role. We recommend using a shared, dedicated integration user for this connection. In NetSuite, go to the Lists tab, scroll down to Employees, and then select Employees from the list that opens up. Open the employee record you wish to use by clicking Edit. You can even create a new one if you prefer. Go to the Access subtab and ensure Give Access is checked. Then, add the Melio integration role to the user and save the record. Now it's time to generate your access token. In your NetSuite account, go to Setup, scroll down to Users/Roles, then to Access Tokens and select New Access Token. Fill out the access token form with the following details. Under Application Name, select Melio Integration. For the user, select the user you assigned the Melio integration role to in the previous step. For the role, confirm this is set to Melio integration role. And for the token name, you can leave it as the default or create your own name. Select Save. Once you've saved the token, your new token ID and token secret will appear. It's very important that you copy them immediately and store them securely, as these values cannot be retrieved later. The last step in NetSuite is to retrieve your account ID. Navigate to Setup, then Company Information, and copy and save your account ID. Now it's time to connect Melio and NetSuite. And enter the credentials you previously collected from NetSuite: Token ID, NetSuite Account ID, and Token Secret. Once you're done, click on Verify Connection. Next, select the NetSuite subsidiary from the drop-down list, then click Connect. Please note that during the initial connection, Melio scans for existing vendors to prevent duplicates. If we detect vendors with duplicate details, you will be prompted to verify which ones to link. Please compare the vendor details displayed on the screen, check the box for any vendor you wish to link, or uncheck the box for vendors you do not want to link. Once done, select Confirm and Continue at the bottom right. If you chose to leave any vendors unlinked, you must confirm that you want to proceed. You will not be able to link these specific vendors later if you skip them now. Select Continue to connect only if you are ready to proceed. Please allow a few moments for the connection to be completed. Once done, a confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen. Additionally, you should be able to see the NetSuite connection at the bottom right corner of the sync icon. That's it, you're all set. Your Melio account is now synced with NetSuite.